Hello, do you want to make over $1 million a year in online prop trading? Then let me show you how you can earn this much in the Lux Career Funded Trading Program. If I reach the profit target in 1 or 2 days, can I continue to the next stage? Can we have a higher drawdown level? Can you take away the relative drawdown rule? Can I start right away on the $2.5 million account? And how long does it take before I can get to the 2.5 millions? We get many traders asking this type of questions on our live chat every single day. And what that tells to us is that they're not looking for a career or funding, but instead they're looking for cash to gamble. We all sometimes like to gamble in a casino or on a sports match, but these programs that we've prepared are not set up so that gamblers can keep doing what they do every single day and try and be lucky one day. But we also get traders asking us this type of question. How much money can I realistically make in a month in your trading program? What is the best way to trade with your risk management? And do you have a time limit set to reach any profit targets? When we hear this type of questions, we know we're dealing with a trader who wants to build up a career and not just gamble our cash. With so many online prop trading firms on the market right now and new ones popping up each month, there's a real battle going on for each prop firm to get as many new traders as possible. The profit split that was offered went from 60 to 70% to 80, 90%. The two-step verification became one, and the risk capital keeps going up and up and up, and it seems like the end is nowhere in sight. We understand that our 65% profit split and minimum active trading days may not seem as attractive as what some of the other online prop firms are offering. But you should understand that we have a different business model than these challenges, and we're not a get-rich-quick scheme. Our management has over 30 years of experience in the asset management industry. Over the time, they have learned that if you want to manage real money and ultra-high accounts, the only way you can accomplish this is by building up a track record based on consistency and low drawdowns. As investors or any other rich person whose money you would want to trade will always first look at what they can lose, not what they can win. This is the exact opposite of small investors, retail traders, and more often than not, poor people. They always look at what they can win, and they forget to look at everything they can lose and the price they have to pay for that. And this is why most traders end up losing money. They want to get rich quick and tend to look for the easiest way and the easiest offer to get there. But they tend to forget how high of a risk and low chance of success that brings. Or they'll even go for a scam. All of that with the promise of getting rich quickly. You always see pictures of winners in casinos and national lotteries. But what you might notice is you'll never see the same person twice in a row. You'll never see the same person making a big win 2 months in a row. It is the same with online prop trading firms. You'll see lucky traders who have managed to earn 30K in a month or even 60K in 2 weeks. But you never see the same person show their consistent results and how they're doing each month. That is because most are either just gambling or taking too much risk. And when they're lucky, they'll shout it off the top of the roofs. They'll show how good they did and that anybody can do this. But keep in mind, you do not hear about how many times these people failed, how many times they did not win the challenge, how many times they made losses and very big losses. Simply when something goes wrong, people don't shout it to the world. We understand that all these offers seem good to you if you don't really have enough knowledge, or if you need to make money quickly, then it is easy to go for something like that. That is why we want to show you our realistic calculation on how much money you can be making in the Lux funded trading program over the course of your career. We want to show you what you can earn with our smaller profit split, longer time frame. You can still make really good money. It is based on reality, realistic profit expectations, and a career in a prop trading firm anywhere in the world, and not just one lucky month. Lux offers its traders a career in trading. which starts from the professional account stages, which in our career programs are stages 3 and higher. That means that traders should see stages 1 and 2 as their education stages. As we do not know the trader, and the traders need to learn how to trade without rules and risk management, we have made the stage 1 happen on a demo account, so we can both learn from each other. We give 100% refund of the evaluation fee after you pass the first stage as a small reward for your commitment in the first 6 weeks or longer if you need it. Stage 2 has the same amount, same rules, same risk management, but the difference is that it happens on a live account. Unlike many other prop firms who call it live account because you can make money from it, but you still trade on a demo account. However, we give you real money to trade already from stage 2. We start with a smaller account so that if anything goes wrong, the damage is still minimal. And this is why our program and company manages to keep a healthy balance sheet. The meaning of stage 2 is to introduce you to your risk manager, who will first look at your evaluation account and see if there is anything you need to adjust, so that in the second stage, you'll be trading with a better risk management. The reason we do this is we see many bad habits coming from traders, from revenge trading to doubling up to get quickly back after big losses. And we need to get these bad habits out of you before you can start trading on the professional accounts, where you start to trade for a real monthly income and you start building up your track record with KPMG for your future ultra high trading accounts where you can make a 6 or a 7-figure yearly income. When you pass the second advanced stage, you will receive a 65% share on the profit you made, which is between $200 and $600, depending on what account you started, and your account will be scaled up 10 times to either $50,000, $100,000, or $150,000. As we have set up a profit target and minimum active trading days, we have set a realistic profit target of around 1% per week for our traders. I will show you what a trader can earn each month based on this profit target of 1%, all the way up to the expert account stages, which is only 3 more steps away. If you earn an average of 1% per week in the 150,000 professional account for 10 weeks, you'll be earning around $1,000 per week. After 10 weeks, you'll scale up to a $500,000 account, where you will make, with the same average of around 1% per week, about $3,250 each week. After another 10 weeks, you'll scale up to a $1 million account, where with the same average of around 1% per week, you'll be making about $6,500 per week. After another 10 weeks, you'll scale up to the expert $2.5 million account, where again with the same average profit of around 1% per week, which is very realistic, you'll be making around $16,250 per week, which is $65,000 per month, or $780,000 per year, with a low and realistic profit target of about 1% per week. This is when you only aim for 1% per week, and when the results are higher, your weekly, monthly, and yearly income will grow even more. Now this may look like a slow and long path, but if you compare it with any good lawyer, doctor, or any other career that you would like to have, first you would need at least 4 to 6 years of university, then getting a job and building a career with your new boss before you can get anywhere near this kind of yearly salary. So if you can achieve this with us in about 1 year, build up an audited track record with KPMG, and have the option to start as a fund manager with a $10+ million account, then you start to earn between 1 to 3 million per year. So even if it will take you 2 to 3 years to get to that stage, it is still much quicker than any other job. So try to be realistic. Even if it does not sound as attractive and nice as these get-rich-quick schemes, and these very nice YouTube videos with people making a lot of money in a very short time, it is always better to focus your energy on what's realistic and slowly build up a career as a professional trader in the meantime, than to go gambling with your future and your career because you had no patience and wanted to get rich quickly, as all of these marketing videos would like you to believe. So the main takeaway from this video is that building up a career takes time, and don't believe that there are funding programs to fund your gambling habits to get rich quick. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to our 24/7 live chat or contact us at info@luxtradingfirm.com. I wish you a successful day trading and have a good one.